Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the historic Main Street Cruise Inn in Springfield neighborhood of Jacksonville, Florida. This is going to be the Scooter Vision video. I don't know what we have on it. We got a little bit on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. We just kind of take over the Crystal's parking lot even though the restaurant's closed and set up and do a car show. It says temporarily closed, so we're hoping they'll open it back up and not, kick us all to the curb, But anyway, we went out, we did. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you drop us a like, subscribe, comment, share, and do all the YouTube things that help out channels. It really helps out the channel whether you believe it or not. That's really all I got. So let's get out there to the hot. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to them hot rods. So let's rev it up there. Yeah. Wait to see if that car was gonna move.
How's Stephen Kim today?
Good. There's plenty of them. I am, aren't I? I feel it.
Buddy?
Yeah, I'm doing all right.
Yeah, it's good to see you. You just walked me everywhere today.
Yeah, you got one bad spot right here on it. Gotta get it fixed. Why'd you do that? Well, you know what you do? Take the saws off, cut it out, put it there. Right on, fill it in. Like it's got a thing on it. Ready to do it? I got glory interior. Oh, Lord.
Honking at people looking over there.
We're coming up to Indiana. This freaking crazy blue car. Railroad track crossing started to go down. He went by 15 cars in the other lane. I'm like, oh, crap. I saw that guy. Who knows that guy? Sadly.
I don't think you can get through.
Sidewalk. I can get between him and the curb.
Okay. We ain't getting over here.
Yeah, I know.
I saw a gremlin earlier today at Dinsmore.
You may have.
Yeah. I saw it somewhere. Don't remember where.
Yeah.
Got a picture tag on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No Gordy or Greg.
Nope.
They probably had enough after this morning.
Yeah.
But that one there, like I said, today, it's great. Middle of summer when it's 90-something plus, asphalt heat coming up.
You get that one?
I get it when they ain't both standing on both sides.
I thought he was gone.
He's been gone. Guess he just came back for a little while
Yeah.
before he heads off on another adventure. He's at a. Can you get the picture of it, of his truck there? Because I can't. He's at a bad orientation for me.
Black car too.
I got that one already.
Alright.
I was able to get the black one. I just wasn't able to, because this one's so far out.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll get over it.
Those be showing.
I don't know.
A Ram and a Ford.
Not a clue.
Yeah.
You passed right by it.
I'm right here.
Okay. Light's not good, but it'll do.
Well, go to the other side.
There's the other side.
We'll get with a minute.
Alright.
Get it from right here.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Looks like I'm gonna have to get that Camaro again too.
Huh?
I gotta get
Yeah.
that Camaro again too.
Yeah.
The light from that angle just sucks.
That looks kind of dark. But
It is. It is a little dark, but at least it ain't glaring.
Yeah. Let him hit you first. Walk this one?
That one? No. Yeah. I guess that's it. See if anything else shows up. One of us got to get the picture of that Impala over there.
Huh?
The Impala over there. One of us has got to get a
Where?
picture of it. On the other side. I can go out on the sidewalk and get it.
Oh. There's some part down there. Across the street. Okay, go right ahead. We split up when we were down. I just like traveling.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Springfield Main Street Cruise-In historic version at Crystal's Restaurant on Main Street in Jacksonville, Florida. It's growing. It's getting a little bit bigger again. I mean, I know for a while it had, pretty much bit the dust, if you will. I think the first time I went, there was like 3 cars, myself included. We had, I don't know, 20, 25 cars there this time. We had both sides of the restaurant filled up pretty much. So, it is growing again. Hope it continues to grow. But anyway, that's really all I got. Make sure you drop us a like, subscribe, comment, and share if you haven't already. We're trying to grow the channel. We're trying to get to the 500 subscribers. We're at 354. So we got a little less than 150 to go. But any help on that would be great. We're going to keep going out to the car shows and bringing the car shows to you on YouTube. So I hope you'll continue to support the channel as we go forward. So we'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever it may be.